Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by confirming the essentials, internet and storage, because installing or updating a keyboard requires that. Once done, open Settings and go straight to General Management, then Language and Input. That's where input behavior lives. Make sure you tap on Screen Keyboard, then Manage Keyboards to enable the keyboard you want to use. This first step activates the engine. Without it, you can't switch, so enable the app and grant any basic permission prompts before moving on. Next, install and configure the keyboard. You can download Gboard or SwiftKey from Play Store or use Samsung keyboard updates from Galaxy Store. After installation, go back to Manage Keyboards and allow the new keyboard. Grant microphone or storage permissions only if features need them. Then open that keyboard settings to add languages, choose layout, set autocorrect strength, and pick a theme. These details control accuracy and privacy, so tweak them now to match how you type and what you expect. Finally, set the keyboard as default and verify it works. Go to Language and Input, choose Default Keyboard, and pick the new option. Then open Messages or Notes and type. Make sure language switching, emoji picker, and voice typing behave as expected. If you need to toggle quickly, use the keyboard icon in the navigation bar or long press the spacebar. If things go wrong, clear the keyboard app cache and data, or uninstall and reinstall. That fixes most crashes and lag, so try that first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.